Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the 8160Y self-adhesive, the 8160Y-Bk self-adhesive weather stripping. It's a big piece of self-adhesive weather stripping. You usually don't get this big. Not that they can't. This and there's a link below this video to the product brochure showing this and its sister related products. You might want to refer to that just for your own interest to know what else is available. This is what is loosely, referred to as, it resembles the Batwing design that you've got on the 8144, except it's a much larger situation. What you're going to have with this is a very effective trap when the door is in the closed position for collecting. The door is going to close and compress against here for collecting dust and capturing the transmission of air as well. For instance, if you've got a shop and a showroom separated by a wall, demising wall, and you've got rear doors and front doors, and those are open at the same time, that air comes through there. This is real effective at keeping the wind from howling through, which will carry the dust. You don't want the dust from the shop going into the showroom and covering whatever it is that you're showing there. Backed with a 3M style adhesive, which in my experience is synonymous with very good quality adhesive. Dimensionally, and there's an image below this video, it's 1 inch wide. Okay. On the long leg, the short leg is 1/2 inch. Okay. The material is, will compress down, to 1/8 of an inch when I compress it down. So you're going to want to keep this in mind when you are considering this for a door and frame. It's very thick material that has to get compressed against. And because of the angle of how it's going to close, the door is going to come into here, okay? But you want to make sure that if your gap is already too small, this might not be the best choice for you. Installing this material, in my experience, has proven to be a challenge because you've got the 1/2 inch leg, which attaches or is going to be installed on the stop face of the frame, then the 1 inch leg that's going to be attached through with the self-adhesive tape to the rabbet of the frame. So you've got to peel this away, and you got to make sure you get that inside corner exactly where it needs to be, because once the adhesive starts to take, if you don't have it exactly straight, it's going to be pretty messy by the time you get a few feet down. You'll end up with a very wavy and a very failure-prone installation. You want to take your time with it. When I install this, I only peel away a very short amount so I can really take my time and get it in there. You might want to find somebody with smaller fingers if you've got giant lumberjack fingers. Okay, but this material is quite effective at doing what it does for self-adhesive sort of weather stripping. The 8160 is representative of the profile. The Y stands for polyvinyl. That's the material it's made of. And BK stands for the fact that it's in the black color, available in several different lengths. Zero is a very good quality company with very good quality customer service, and they pride themselves on providing very unique situations for some pretty unusual sorts of problems, along with selling the regular sort of commercial and residential related weather stripping. If you have any questions on the 8160Y-Bk self-adhesive weather stripping or any other Zero product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.